Welcome to Learn English Moments. In today's episode, we're going to follow a real-life English conversation on two people on their first day at work. This is great practice for anyone starting a new job. Let's begin.
Good morning. You must be Emma, right?
Yes. Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm John. Welcome to the team.
Thanks. I'm really excited to be here, but also a little nervous.
That's totally normal. I felt the same way on my first day. Don't worry, everyone here is really friendly. I'll help you get settled in.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem. Let me show you your desk first. It's right over here.
Wow, it looks nice. What time do we usually start work?
Most people arrive around 9 a.m., but some come in earlier. We're a bit flexible with time.
Good to know. What about lunch?
We usually take lunch around 12. There's a break room, and there's also a small cafe nearby if you want to grab something outside.
Nice. Is there a dress code I should follow?
Just smart casual is fine. No need to wear anything too formal.
That's great. So, what exactly do I do on my first day?
You'll mostly be getting to know the systems and tools we use. Your manager will come by soon to walk you through everything.
Okay, I'll be ready. Speaking of my manager, who should I report to?
Miss Laura. She's really kind and supportive. You'll meet her in a bit.
I'm glad to hear that.
Actually, here she comes now. Miss Laura, this is Emma, our new teammate.
Hello, Miss Laura. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Welcome aboard. We're excited to have you here.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
Take your time to get comfortable, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask John or me.
I will. Thank you so much.
Well, Emma, it's almost lunchtime. Want to join me?
Sure, I'd love to. Do you usually eat in the break room?
Sometimes. But today, I was thinking of going to that cafe I mentioned earlier. They have great sandwiches.
That sounds perfect. I'm still figuring out the area.
Don't worry, you'll learn fast. And I'll help however I can.
Thanks, John. I'm lucky to have someone guide me on the first day.
No problem at all. We all started somewhere.
I already feel more confident than I did this morning.
That's awesome. You've done really well today. It's not easy starting a new job, but you handled it great.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Welcome again, Emma. I think you'll enjoy working here.
I think so too. That was a real-life English conversation for your first day at work.
Have you ever started a new job?
What would you say on your first day?
Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget to follow and subscribe to Learn English Moments for more real English conversations every week.
See you next time.